Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the OR Royalties Company Update on Commodity TV. And this video is distributed and paid on behalf of OR Royalties. The World Gold Council has published the latest figures for Q2 2025. According to these figures, demand for gold bars rose by 21%, offsetting weaker demand for coins. Physically backed gold ETFs saw their highest half-year inflows since 2020 in the first half of 2025. Demand from the global jewelry industry, which is the main consumer of physical gold, fell by 14% to 341 tons, as high prices deterred buyers. I think they will have to get used to this because the price of gold will continue to rise. The world's fourth largest royalty and streaming company, OR Royalties, formerly Cisco Gold Royalties, they were renamed, reported very good business performance in the second quarter of 2025 and is paying a 20% increase in its quarterly dividend to 5.5 US cents per common share. In Q2 2025, cash flow increased by 34% year-on-year to $51.4 million. The company received 19,700 gold equivalent ounces, the so-called GEOs, and generated license and stream revenue of $60.4 million. The cash margin was $57.8 million or 95.8%, with the net income of $32.4 million or 17 US cents per common share. Adjusted earnings were $34.1 million or 18 US cents per common share. Net repayments of $40 million under the revolving credit facility were also encouraging. Cash and cash equivalents stood at healthy $49.6 million with outstanding liabilities of only $35.7 million as 30th June 2025. In order to maintain the company's ability to pursue new projects, the revolving credit facility was increased to $650 million, plus a non-committed increase option of $200 million in the term was extended to 30th May 2029. The company also received the first payment from Cardinal Namdini Mining under the 1% NSR royalty from the Namdini mine and from Talisker Resources under the 1.7 NSR royalty from the Braylon project. News acquisition by OR Royalties International Limited, ORIL, of a 100% silver stream on Orla Mining's South Railroad project in Nevada in the USA for a total cash payment of $13 million. After the end of the quarter, a further $21 million was repaid under the revolving credit facility. The company is well on track to achieve its annual forecast of 80,000 to 88,000 GEOs. Also noteworthy is the company's strong balance sheet, which now shows a net cash position for the first time in several years and no net debt when equity investments are also taken into account. The pointed figure chart is performing perfectly and is generating one buy signal after the other. The next price target is 52 Canadian dollars. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, along with everything you need to know about commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The stock discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and SRC, its employees, and/or myself may be or are shareholders in the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.